We now also get a new and improved camera controller app on Galaxy Watch 6. So go in your app drawer, find camera controller, tap on it, and it will load the preview on your phone. So there you go, you move the phone around, it moves around on your watch as well. You can take the photos. Now by default it's on timer, but you can turn the timer off, and when you take the photo, it will just take the photo as usual. Now one thing that they have improved here is this video button, which was not here in the previous Galaxy watches. So now you can change between photo and video mode from the watch. So there you go, and you can start shooting your videos, and you can also take photos while you are shooting your videos. You can pause your videos, restart them, and stop them, which is awesome. This is a much better camera controller app on your Galaxy Watch 6. Now if you change the mode on the phone, it also changes the mode on the watch. So it also supports the portrait mode. However, it does not support the director's view. Did you know that you can also change the orientation of these buttons on your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, so that you can wear your watch and the buttons can be on the left or on the right? Let me show you how this works. Go in settings, go in general, and here go in orientation. Now in orientation you will see wrist, left or right, and then buttons position. Right now button position is on the right, so we have it here. If you select left, it will rotate, and now you can wear your watch like this and the buttons will be on the left. You can go back and you can wear your watch like this. Now this is really helpful if you are wearing your watch on the left wrist or on the right wrist, and then which way you want the buttons to be, on the left or right. So you can choose according to your preference. This feature really makes it easy to wear this watch on any wrist that you want. There is another mode here called theater mode, and that mode works in the same way as a sleep mode, but when you are going to watch a movie in a theater, or when you plan to watch a movie at home, you can still use it. And for this, once again, you can go in settings, go in modes, and this time go in theater mode. Here you can turn it on, you can select the duration. This can match the duration of your movie in the theater, and what it will do is that it will mute notifications and it will turn off always on display, raise wrist to wake, system sounds, alarm sounds, and timer sounds. So everything is turned off and you can watch your movies in the theater without any distractions. Now you can also turn this feature on from the quick settings panel. All you have to do is find the theater mode. This is the theater mode, tap on it and it will be turned on. And this small notification button at the top shows you that you are in the theater mode right now. Galaxy Watch 6 Classic also support gestures to control different features of the watch. So let's go ahead and take a look at these gestures. Go in settings, go in advanced features and scroll up to find these gestures. Now there's a gesture to answer calls, dismiss alerts and calls, and quick launch. So if you go in answer calls, you see the gesture that you need to make in order to answer calls while wearing the watch. And then we have dismiss alerts and calls. So if you're getting alerts and calls and you want to quickly dismiss them, then you have to make this gesture. Finally, we have the quick launch gesture. So if you turn it on, you can then select what is it that you want to quick launch by making this gesture here. So select an option. You have open recent apps, exercises, turn on torch, add a reminder, and all the other apps installed on your watch. You can quick launch any one of these. Samsung has added a new watch face called Photo Sticker, which allows you to have your photo, a photo of your choice from your gallery on your phone, to be added to the watch face, and that lives beside other elements of the watch face. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So this is the watch face. Now here you have the option to add your photo, the photo of your choice, and then you have time, date, weather, an emoji. I don't know what's the reason behind this emoji, it's just there. Steps and complication for your health tracking. Now if I tap on it, and I can customize it. Now there are several different layouts to this watch face and you can change these. So here is another one, another one, another one, and with all of these layouts, the elements in the watch face also change. So it's totally up to you which one of these you want. So let's go with this one, and then you can then add a photo. Now right now I only have limited photos on the watch, but if you customize it from your phone, you can add any photo from your gallery. So this is the watch face in the Galaxy Wear app, and if I go in customize and go in photo, I can add any photo from my gallery. So let's say I select this one. Now I can change it. I can zoom in and out of this photo, and on the phone, on the Galaxy Wear app, you can also edit the photo. You can change brightness, exposure, contrast, and highlights. So you can do all of that here. Let's change it a little bit, press done. And if you go in complication color, you will find more colors that you can add to your watch face. So when you go on to customize any watch face from the app on your phone, you will find more options and you can be more creative with creating your watch faces. So if I press save here, now I have this custom photo from my gallery app on my phone as my watch face. If you go into the recorder app on your Galaxy Watch 6, you will see this option here that allows you to convert speech into text. So if you tap here, you can select the language and then get going. So let's go ahead and give it a try. This is a test recording to test the speech to text feature on Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. So now I have this recording right here. Now I have to mention here that this recording will immediately be transferred to your phone recorder app as well. So when you will open the recorder app on your phone, you can listen to this recording. Now since we have used the speech to text feature, we are looking for the text here. Now if you tap on this play button here, it will play back the recording for you on the watch. But if you tap on this card here, it will give you the text that has been transcribed from your recording. So there you go, we have it right here, and then you can play it from here as well. Now here you will see that your notifications on the phone will show that one file has been copied from the voice recorder app on your watch. So you will find it in the list option on the recorder app on your phone, and memo 002 is right here. If you tap on it, you will find the recording and the text here as well. The gallery app on Galaxy Watch 6 has also been updated and now has much more functionality. So if you go in the app drawer and find your gallery app, you will see these three buttons at the top. You have pictures option, you then have albums where you will see your screenshots, your pictures, and then finally we have the story mode in the gallery app on your watch, just like we have on our Galaxy phones, which is great. Now another functionality in this gallery app is that if you long press on any one of these photos, it then allows you to put these photos on watch faces that support photos as background. So you can tap on it and then it gives you the list of the watch faces that support these photos, pebbles, photo sticker, and photos, and then you can simply put them on these watch faces from the gallery app on your watch. This is amazing functionality. Galaxy Watch 6 Classic has a temperature sensor at the back, this one right here, and you can use this temperature sensor to measure your skin temperature at night when you're sleeping. And you can turn this feature on by going in settings, go in health, and then turn on skin temperature during sleep. Now when you turn on this feature, it says here that measurement can cause a light to flash on the back of your watch. Now for some people this can be distraction at night, but I haven't noticed it while sleeping at all. Now the skin temperature shows up in your sleep tracking and you can actually see it on the watch as well. So if I go in my sleep tracking dial and scroll down, you will see that my skin temperature at night had been between 33.3 to 35.8. Now I'm not sure how accurate this is, but this is how it shows up. You can also see it on your phone in the sleep tracking section. So there you go. That was the skin temperature tracking last night for me. There is a new feature on Galaxy Watch 6 Classic that allows you to transfer your watch from one phone to another without resetting the watch, so you do not lose any of the data on the watch. This is a great feature if you use multiple phones and you want to switch your watch from one to another. So let's see how this works. Go in settings, then scroll all the way down to general, and then find transfer watch to new phone. So now this is a baked-in feature on your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Now here are the conditions for this transfer. The Google account on the watch and the new phone must match. So you should have the same Google account on the watch and your new phone. If you are signed into the Samsung account on the new phone, that account will be used on the watch as well. So the Samsung account on the watch will be the same that you're using on your new phone. If these two conditions match, you can transfer your watch to the new phone without resetting your watch. Sometimes you may also need to take a screenshot of some vital information on your Galaxy Watch, and you can easily and quickly do it by pressing this home button and back button together. So just press them together and it takes a screenshot. And now when you will go in the gallery app on your watch, you will find these screenshots right here. Another important thing is that these screenshots are also synced to the gallery app, or they are transferred to the gallery app on your phone as well right away. So this is the watch album on the phone gallery app, and you can see this screenshot that I've just taken on my watch is available on the phone as well.